Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all friends, students, and viewers. Today, our topic is momentum and Newton's second law of motion. In this topic, we will discuss the relationship between momentum and Newton's second law of motion. Now, let's start our topic. According to the definition of acceleration, or according to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. And if we define acceleration is the change of velocity with respect to change in time, or delta v into t, and change in velocity, initial velocity to final velocity, this is vf minus vi over t, acceleration. Putting this relation of acceleration in this equation, then F is equal to m vf minus vi over t. Dividing m in each term, F is equal to m vf minus m vi divided by t. T is a time, and F is equal to m vf divided by t minus m vi divided by t. F is equal to, taking t common, m vf minus m vi, f multiplied by t is equal to m vf minus m vi. mv is momentum, mvf is final momentum, and mvi is initial momentum, and this equation become f multiplied by t is equal to mvf final momentum pf minus pi, or delta p f multiplied by t. This is the relationship between momentum and Newton's second law of motion. We derive momentum from the Newton's second law of motion, and this states that when force is applied in time interval t, this is equal to the change in momentum, and momentum is equal to mv. It is the product of mass and velocity, and when in a given time we applied a force on an object, it varies the motion of an object. And this is the most simple term as place of Newton's second law of motion. It's because this relation explain easily when an object is moving and the mass of an object varying, and variation of the mass of an object affected on the motion of the body. This relation easily explain the motion of a body with varying mass as compared to F is equal to ma, and how motion is varies with variation of time, with variation of mass. For example, This is an object 5 kg and force 5 Newton applied in 1 second. It moves with velocity 5 meter per second, and when 5 multiplied by 1, same force, same interval of time, mass of an object is 3 किलोग्राम और वेलोसिटी अननोन v इसको लिख देते हैं. दिस इज v 5 3v 5 by 3 is equal to v. This is equal to roundabout, this is v is equal to 1.6, and at this point 5 divided by 5 is equal to v, and v is equal to 1. When mass of an object is 5 kg, the velocity of an object is 1 meter per second, and when mass of an object decrease and become 3 kg, the velocity of an object is equal to 1.6 meter per second. Its mean with the change of mass, velocity of an object varies, and when velocity of an object varies, its mean motion of an object varies. And this is easily explain the variation of mass and the effect of variation of mass on motion of an object. This is the relation of momentum and Newton's second law of motion. I hope you all understand this concept. I tried to explain this with simple way, and this is the final result of momentum and Newton's second law of motion. Assalamu alaikum. We will meet in next lecture.